Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I prep my hair for twist to avoid breakage. So if you are planning to twist or braid your hair and you want to reduce breakage, this video is for you. My hair is actually very dry hair, very dry and frizzy. So I am going to show you how I moisturize and then prepare it for twists. So that is my leave-in conditioner, my DIY leave-in conditioner, and then my DIY growth oil. So that's a white tooth comb. That's what I'll be using to comb the hair, either of the two. So if you have any of these, it's perfect. I am going to be untwisting the big twists gently. We are planning to avoid breakage, so unravel it gently, and then I am going to be finger detangling it. Yes, you make sure you go gently with the hair. And I finger detangle. Okay, you can see my undergrowth. That's 3 months undergrowth now. So then I'm going to be applying my leave-in conditioner, my DIY leave-in conditioner. I am going to share a video on that very soon, how I made the leave-in conditioner. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, and then don't forget to hit the post notification bell so that once I upload any video, you'll be the first to see. So as you can see now, I am gently finger detangling the hair. Then I'll be applying my hair growth oil on my scalp. Then I'll massage it very gently into my scalp and on my hair. So I am going to be gently combing the hair now. You want to make sure you are gentle so that you won't break your strands. And then when you get to the undergrowth parts, you want to be very gentle, because those parts are a little hard than the relaxed parts. So you want to be very gentle combing it out. So after I have thoroughly detangled the hair, I am going to twist it up back. So now you can see the difference between the two. Yeah, the difference is clear. So soft, succulent. So I am going to be doing the same thing again to these other parts. Finger detangle, apply my leave-in conditioner, put my hair growth oil on my scalp, gently massage on my scalp, and apply hair growth oil on my hair strands, and then gently comb out. So now that I am done with everything, I am going to do a quick length check. So if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, and then don't forget to hit the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be the first to see. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.